Stop struggling to find your Venmo QR code. I'm Anna from For Real, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Venmo QR code on Android in under 4 minutes, so you can get paid faster and easier than ever. If you've ever been in that awkward situation where you're trying to split a bill with friends and everyone is slowly typing in usernames, trying to find the right person, you know how frustrating it can be. Is that you with the dog picture? Wait, what was your username again? It's a common problem that turns a quick payment into a hassle. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3 simple taps to pull up your personal QR code instantly. We'll cover the difference between the code for getting paid and the one for paying businesses, so you'll always know which one to use. By the end of this, you'll be a QR code pro. Let's get started. And here's a quick fun fact. QR codes were invented way back in 1994 by a Japanese company, DensoWave, to track car parts for Toyota. They were never intended for payments, but now they're everywhere. Okay, step 1 is super easy. The first thing you need to do is open up your Venmo app. Once it's open and you're on the main feed, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that says Me. Go ahead and tap that. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the top. You'll see your profile picture. Right next to your name and profile pic, there's a small square icon that looks like a QR code. It's a little hidden, which is why so many people have trouble finding it. Tap that icon. This single tap takes you to the central hub for all your QR code functions. It's the gateway to both sending and receiving money without ever typing a username. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please do me a huge favor and tap that like button. It takes 1 second and really helps our channel reach more people who need these tips. Okay, back to the final step. This is the most important part. You'll see 2 main options at the top, Venmo Me and Show to Pay. First, let's look at the Venmo Me code. This is your personal code. When you want someone to pay you show them this code. They scan it, and your profile pops up on their phone instantly. This is perfect for splitting dinner, collecting rent, or getting paid back for coffee. Now, if you tap Show to Pay, a different dynamic QR code appears. This is the code you use to pay a business, like at a food truck or a local market that accepts Venmo. The cashier scans this code to take payment from your account. Don't show this code to a friend who is trying to pay you. Here's a pro tip. You can actually share your Venmo Me code directly from this screen. See the little share icon? You can tap that to send your code through text, WhatsApp, or email, so your friends don't even need to be next to you to scan it. And here's another bit of trivia for you. Venmo was acquired by PayPal back in 2013. It processes hundreds of billions of dollars in payments every year, all starting from an idea to make splitting bills easier. Security tip: always be careful where you post your QR code. Treat it like your phone number. It directly links to your financial account, so avoid posting it publicly on social media. And there you have it. In just a few taps, you now know exactly how to get your Venmo QR code. No more fumbling with usernames or asking, "Is this you?" You can now get paid instantly with your Venmo Me code and confidently pay businesses with the Show to Pay feature. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial useful and want more quick tips for the apps you use every day, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Venmo feature confuses you? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.